navigating among pages within a site. Again, I have the same site open here with a number of pages. This time I have, in some cases, set up a split view where the code shows up top and the image of the page shows down below. So let's go through and see how we go about doing this. Let's go back to this image here of the folder structure, folder and file structure, and we'll talk about how to link from the directory to these files that are marked with blue lines. Okay, the idea here is that you have to go to navigate to the correct level and then to the file itself. So if I want to go to from the directory page with a link to, let's say, Mr. Kaiser, then I have to go down here into the teachers folder, then into the high school folder, and then to Mr. Kaiser. And the way you do that is up here at the top, it's listed beside this directory.html. You go into the teachers folder, so you just specify by typing the folder's name, teachers, slash the name of the next folder, which is high school underscore, slash, or forward slash that is, and the name of the file, kaiser.html, and you will need to put on the file extension. If the file is saved with a .htm file extension, then you need to use that and not HTML. But if you use the wrong extension by just this one little letter of L, it won't work. Okay, so let's take a look at how that looks over in Dreamweaver. So we have a link here to Mr. Kaiser, and it's highlighted right here now. So let's look and see what it says. So it says a href equals, and in quotes, teachers / high school / kaiser.html unquote. And then we have Mr. Kaiser in here, or you could put anything you wanted in here. Mr. Great English Teacher, and then closed with a close anchor tag here. So that's how you would navigate to that. Let's look at some more. Let's say you want to, well, in fact, that's enough of that. For doing a link to the Haas, you would just need to go into Staff and then Haas. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here we go, right here. Go into the staff folder / Haas.html. Okay. Now, if we want to go from the directory to my .connor.html file, then we need to go like so. Let's see what we have here. Connor. We have to go into the teachers folder / high school / connor.html. Catherine Bunsick, her file is located in seniors and in students. So we have to go into the students folder, then into the seniors folder. And so we have that. We go into students, then to seniors, and then Bunsick_Catherine.html. All right. So that takes care of that. Now, if we want to have a link from Haas.html to Shank.html, notice that they're in the same folder. So there's no need to navigate out of a folder or into a folder. We're already there. So let's go to see what we have here. So all you need to do is type the name of the file, shank.html, and that should work. Let's go to one more. If we go have a link from Connor to Bunsick, it says we go out the high school folder, then out of the teachers folder, then into the student folder, which is right here, then into the senior folder, and then to Bunsick_Catherine.html. We also, well, that's enough. I think my time's going to run out here, and that's sufficient to cover that. Again, I'll just show this is in